Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Xiaomi LED Desk Lamp 2. In order to do it, you need to plug it into power, then you just need to press and hold on two buttons at once, this and this button. So let's press and hold for 7 seconds. Then it will start breathing, so you can release. You can see it's breathing right now. Then it will stop breathing and turn on itself. I'm gonna turn it off right now. And now the lamp is reset, so it can be reconnected with the app. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.